I went to a garage sale the other day, which is rare this time of year in our area. And it was a beautiful day. It was a good day for a garage sale. And I got some items to decorate my chicken coop. And if you watch my other video, I did a chicken coop tour. And I have a new chicken coop that I'm going to make over. So I'm always looking for inexpensive items to decorate the chicken coops with and around the chicken coops. So I thought I would take you guys with to check out the things that I've got, and I haven't even went through this box yet, so I'm pretty excited about that. But when I got to the garage sale, the first things I noticed were some candle holders, and I've used these candle holders before on chicken coops, and I hang solar lights off of them. So this one is broken, but that's okay. So there is the two candle holders. How neat is that? 50 cents each. I could not pass that up. So there's that. And then this one is broken, which I'm going to JB weld that, and I'll show you guys that. So the plan is to set some sort of solar light here and then hang them over in that chicken coop area. The new coop that I have is under pine trees, so I'm not really sure that the solar lights are going to work great, but for 50 cents, I'm going to give this a go. Even if I don't put them in that area, I can use them somewhere else, and I'm just going to fix that. So I also saw this pot, which has this applique rooster on there. 50 cents. Can't beat that. I thought this would look really cute. I thought it was a good color, nice pop of color with a plant in it. Then I found this box. It has stencils in it. It was $5 for this whole box. So I've never stenciled before, but I did see one stencil that's hanging out that is kind of what intrigued me, and it was this stencil, and it's basket weave. And I thought that was really cool. So I never even went through this box, but we're going to go through it today. These are transfers, it looks like. I've never used these before. I think they're words. Yeah, words to live by. So there's a whole bunch of those in there. And this one, the lady at the garage sale, she had a bunch of different frames, and then she put these transfers on there and had them all painted up, and I thought they were really cute. I've never done anything like that. So we have some bird stickers. And some more stencils. So what my thought was is I didn't have an exact plan, but I like to craft, and I enjoy decorating different things outside, especially by my coops, because I spend a lot of time over there. So I was thinking, you know, old wood, cuts of firewood, you know, like slices of firewood, and then you could paint some of these different stencils on here. So that's kind of where I was going with that when I originally saw this box. That's cute. And I eventually want to put an outdoor pen on the new coop. like I said, if you want to see what I'm talking about, just check out my chicken and duck house tour. So, but I want to put an outdoor pen on that, and I'm thinking of doing, it would be like a wood fence is what I'm thinking. And I thought it would be kind of fun to add, some of these stencil, paint some of these stencils on there. Looks like that's Christmas. We've got Halloween, more Christmas. These are stickers. They look like maybe like window decals. I don't think that. I think they're window decals. Oh wow, there's lots of stencils in here. Like cardboard stencils. Oh my gosh, it just keeps going. Letters. More letters. She had a bunch of welcome signs that were painted. I wonder if that's what she used for that. So that is super exciting. So I'd say these letters will come in handy, and then those different flower ones, and then that basket weave one is like my absolute favorite, that one. So hopefully I can create something with that. And then I also got 2 paintings. I got that one, and I really liked the frame on that. And then this is the other one I got. So the frame was cool on that, and I actually like the painting on this one too. So those will be for inside though. So let's see what we can end up doing with those candle holders. Today I'm going to JB Weld this candle holder. This weld broke here. So it's really easy to use if you've never used it. I'll show you how. It's JB Weld, and you just mix equal parts of each tube onto a disposable surface. I just have a piece of cardboard, popsicle stick to mix it up. These candle holders I got in hopes to use them for decor around my chicken coops. So there I squeezed a little bit from one tube. We got a little more coming out. So put that on there. That was the JB Quick Steel. This is the JB Quick Hardener. You just take the lid, pop that open, that little point opens that end up. We just want equal parts. And then we're just going to mix the steel and the hardener together. This sets, it's the quick weld, so it sets in 6 minutes. I think the cure time is like 4 to 6 hours. So there's just this little break here. Like I said, this is going to be for chicken house decor, so it does not have to be perfect. I just want it so it's not broken. Since it doesn't have to be perfect, I'm just going to kind of wipe around that. Just clearing off my stick so I can wipe around this and smooth this out a little bit. There we go. I'm just grabbing a little bit more. And then if I wanted to, I could always just paint that. I will probably just leave it be. It does not have to be perfect. I just want it held together. So there is a candle holder, and we'll check back after it dries. Okay, where we last left off, I had JB welded this candle holder right here, and so that's doing well. And I am going to just paint it up a little bit so it matches a little bit better. It's not bad, it's just like a blackish gray, but I just have some spray paint. I've got brown and kind of an off-white and a black. And my little sponge brush. And I'm just going to spray it on the cardboard and then just kind of dab it on there. Nothing fancy. Just to kind of hide that a little bit. Like I said, this is for chicken house, so it does not have to be perfect. So that was the brown. I gotta shake this one up a little bit more. Oh, that one's not wanting to work. That one wasn't wanting to come out, so I got it finally. So I'm just gonna put this black on there. This is just spray paint that I had on hand. Okay. There we go. So now that is all fixed up. And I have the other one on the chicken coop already, so I will show you that. And to hang these, I just put a piece of painter's tape across here, and then I just stick the screw in the little holes there, and then I stick the piece of tape on the chicken coop, and then where the holes are in the tape, that's where I put the screws in. So then where the holes were is where I screwed the screws. And I can take that off, and then I will hang up the candle holder. And then I put my solar light on here. So I just have that sitting on there. And then I don't know if I'm going to keep, this one is on the side. I don't know if I'm going to keep that one there. I just hung it up because there wasn't really room on the front for two. I put the other one here on the front, and there's not quite enough room, so I put this one off to the side for right now. I might move it. I might put it on the outdoor pen that I put on, but for right now I'm just going to leave it over there. At least I know where it's at. But I am really happy about how this turned out. So the same thing. These solar lights, I can link those in the description. So yeah, starting to decorate. When I was looking for solar lights, I bought this one, but the bottom, see how it just would not fit in there. It would not fit in that little dish. So I ended up getting this kind that sits in there a little bit better.